Today's video is a thrift with me at Goodwill video. In today's video, I spent $15 on 4 items that I will flip for a profit online. Stick around until the end of the video to see what each item sold for and what I turned my $15 into. Hashtag thrift15.
Today is Wednesday. It feels like a Monday. It's my first day back to my full-time job, but I'm on my lunch hour, so I'm gonna run in Goodwill and see what I can find.
I often check the new racks first, as well as the carts they have set out. But here I am over in the men's jeans and pants section. At my Goodwill, the denim jeans are $4.25, unless they are marked up otherwise. There I'm pulling a pair of Hollister men's jeans, which you will see later on in this what sold portion of the video. And here I stumble on a pair of silver men's Grayson jeans. Again, these are $4.25, so I went ahead and put them in my cart, and you will also see those later on in the what sold section. So be sure to stick around to see how much I sold those for. And those jeans sold within 1 week. I left the men's jeans and pants section and went over to the children's winter wear for coats and jackets. The coats and jackets for children are anywhere from $2 to $5. Occasionally they will mark up a snowsuit for a higher price. This flowered jacket caught my eye because it was so colorful, so I did take a second glance at it. I did put it back and passed on it. I don't remember the brand, but it sure caught my eye. Not seeing anything too spectacular going through here. I apologize for the close-upness of some of this video, but I'm still learning. Wait for it at the very end, I do pick up this snowsuit. It's a toddler size 4T. They charged me $5 at checkout. I did play a game that I like to play on my Instagram story called Buy or Pass. I asked my Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on an item that I found in Goodwill. I'm often surprised by the results. If you don't follow me on Instagram, check it out. I'm pieceofscrap on Instagram. That's piece.of.scrap. Stick around to the end of the video to see what I actually purchased and what I passed on. Here are the results of my Instagram polls. I asked Instagram if they would pick up this Patagonia sweatshirt with a hole in the bottom. Goodwill marked it up to $5. 81% of you said pass, while 19% of you said buy. I found out through several of you, and I thank you for that you could actually send items into Patagonia to have them repaired if the hole is at the seam or there's some sort of fault on Patagonia's part. I also asked Instagram if they would pick up this Victoria's Secret pink t-shirt, very sequined pink logo across the front for $3.50. I've sold hooded sweatshirts and capri leggings with sequins embellishments on them for quite a bit of money, and I was curious if a t-shirt would do the same. 76% of you said pass, while 24% said buy. And the last item I asked Instagram about was this Pampered Chef new in box herb mill number 1524 for $1. The majority of you said buy, while a slim percentage said pass. How you doing? Do you like this type of content? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me I should continue to do these type of thrift hauls. Also click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. Now let's see what I passed on and what I purchased. Following up on my buyer pass game in my Instagram story, I passed on the Patagonia sweatshirt for $5 that had a hole in it. Had I known then what I know now, that you can send these into Patagonia for repair, I may have purchased it. I also passed on the pink t-shirt for $3.50, and I did buy the Pampered Chef herb mill for $1. It was just $1 and it was new in the box. Stick around to see the other 3 items that I picked up for under $15 at Goodwill. All 4 items have already sold, so see what my gross sales were on these 4 items. Many of you watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, pound that like button to tell me that I should make more of these Thrift With Me videos. In today's Thrift With Me video, I paid $15 for 4 items at Goodwill. The thrift haul included a new in-box Pampered Chef item for $1, silver jeans for men for $4.25, Hollister jeans for men for $4.25, and a boys snowsuit size 4T for $5. Now let's see what I turned that $15 into in just 30 days. The Pampered Chef item sold for $19 plus $5.50 shipping on Facebook within 3 days. I learned a hard lesson on cross-posting as the item still remained for sale on Amazon. I forgot to remove the listing. It sold for a much higher price of $32.01 plus $5.99 shipping. I had to cancel the Amazon order as I already sold the item on Facebook. Who out there has done that? Surely I'm not the only one. Leave a comment below and let me know if you forgot to unlist something and it sold for a higher price on a different platform. These silver jeans sold within 2 weeks on eBay for $37 plus $11 shipping for a total of $48. The Hollister men's jeans also sold within 30 days for $29 plus $11 shipping for a total of $40. The little boy's snowsuit sold within 30 days on Poshmark for $35. As you can see, 4 of these items sold on 3 different platforms. So while cross-posting does have its advantages, just make sure you delist the items that have sold so you don't accidentally sell something that you've already sold. I use List Perfectly to cross-list my items to multiple platforms, including eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. If you're not already signed up for List Perfectly, you can use my code pieceofscrap to save 30% off of your first month. I will also have my affiliate link in the description below. I just shared with you 4 items that I paid $15 for at Goodwill. Now let's see what the gross sales were. I turned that $15 in the hashtag Thrift15 challenge into $147.50. In full transparency, I like to give the net profit in my Thrift With Me and What Sold videos, as this is the actual money that goes into my bank account after fees and cost of goods sold. I've noticed that many YouTube resellers do not always give this cost of goods sold information. Gross sales are great, but net profit is what matters. With that being said, I paid $15 for these 4 items with gross sales of $147.50. My net profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $92.24. That is also before taxes. Also keep in mind that I picked these 4 items up during my lunch hour in a time span of 30 minutes or less. Time is also money. I share this Thrift With Me and What Sold information with you so that you too can find these items at Goodwill or garage sales and flip them for a higher profit online. If you learned something new today or found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next What Sold video. Continue watching the What Sold playlist located here. I will catch you in the next video.